just mopped the same room 6 times.
Yep.
Go up and
Ooh. Oh my gosh. I bet that's a pound of dirt in there. What you got?
That is round 1. This is what it looks like after some patching and sanding. It really doesn't look great, to be honest. It's smoother, but not very smooth. We just do not have time to do anything with the floors. It is really not looking great for a 1-week renovation deadline. I just did not think there was any way painting would take this long. But we'll do what we can because we literally have to move out. Our lease ends and other people are moving in. On the bright side, bathroom's looking better. Huh.
if you look under there, you can see it running down. You can see where there's like some putty. Actually, it looks a little bit broken, messed up, so hard to say for sure, but I think we can do it.
Well, we really need to clean out this anyway. It looks disgusting.
Well, it is disgusting.
You coming back?
If you weren't paying attention to what you were doing, you could make a big mistake on this one.
Why?
This side goes into the drywall, this side goes down a pipe. So that's where you would this drain goes.
That would be bad.
Don't put the drain hole in the drywall. We wouldn't last long.
Right there was nothing.
A block drywall.
Yep.
Unfortunately, this is probably not even enough, so we're gonna have to do more primer first, and then hopefully actually painting. Well, we're supposed to be moving in tomorrow. We probably should put the doors up. Well, we did a lot of painting this week. We made pretty much no progress on this kitchen because everything took at least twice as long as expected.
That's the way she goes.
The paint looks good. What do you think, Olive? You like your new home? You like your new house? So yeah, kitchen to be continued. And as a reminder, we're supposed to be moving in today and tomorrow. But bathroom looking better painted. Ceiling needs another toilet is MIA. Gotta put that back. Laundry room looking pretty good. Casey has trapped us in.
I've got an idea. The good old card method.
Does that work on regular doors? Surely not.
It's gonna work on this door.
No way. Well, that would make me feel too good about our doors. Okay, gotta put the hardware back on. Although it looks kind of rough. Yep. Sunday night, 8:30. We finally got the bed here.
Wow. Look at that little dinky map. How long does it take to reconstitute?
How long? You ready?
That's just amazing. I didn't have those in Damascus when I grew up.
9 o'clock.
So here is where we're gonna put a new wax ring.
How much did the wax ring cost? $8. Wow.
Here's the new wax ring.
You know, some people, they just buy a new toilet and have a professional install it, but look at us. Okie dokie. Wow. Okay. I didn't think it was gonna wiggle. They're working on it.
Wow, there you go. What do you think? Looks good. Good. Yeah, y'all did good.